Hey Jose, Tony here with Groove Web Services, just sending you the video that I promised. Um, so after this, if you have any questions or anything you want to discuss, feel free to reach out to me via Facebook. I'm happy to talk. We help folks, get along in the digital marketing game every day. So more than happy to help if we can do so. What I want to do today is go over the three main factors Google looks at when it comes to ranking websites. Factor number one is content. What Google's looking for is highly optimized, niche-specific content. Usually, what we suggest for people's websites is 1,500 words or more of content. This includes content behind images and such that most people don't even know exist. So for a Facebook page, this is sort of hard to do because it's a Facebook page. It's not a regular website. So if I was to go over to one of your competitors, Hardwood Floor Refinishing Co., I'm assuming you're in Topeka, Kansas. That's what I saw on your profile in Facebook. So these guys are outranking you for most everything, and they have very, very little content, as you can see. Very few words. Here's what I mean by content behind images. So this picture of a floor repair, when it was saved, the picture file itself, they saved it as Oath4 320W. Well, what you could save the file at is something like floor repair Topeka, Kansas, and Google will actually see that. And there's also other places within the image where you can place text. This is a good way to get specific keywords onto your page that you want people to find you for. So your main competitor, or one of your main competitors, is doing very badly when it comes to this, but they're still outranking you. For a Facebook page, you can rank it. It's a little bit tougher. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. The second ranking factor is called a citation. A citation is your name, your company address, and phone number that you place within directory sites over the internet. So where we used to use yellow pages and you got the big book on your doorstep and everybody's information was in there, that's all now online. So you've got yellowpages.com, you've got CityStar, you've got Yext, all these different, there's like 300 to 400 different directories. Getting your name, address, and phone number into those directories is a ranking factor specifically for this map area. This is highly sought after real estate. So the company that I just showed you, they're number one in the map pack for the keyword hardwood floor refinishing Topeka, Kansas. There are tools out there that will show you what your competitor has as far as citations, and you can match that and then get a few more to outrank them on that. Can help push you up in this listing. If you don't have a map pack listing, or a Google My Business is what they're called, I highly suggest getting one. It's free. You may not rank up at the top right away, but maybe over time with some work you can. But you should have one of these listings if you don't already. The next and final ranking factor are called backlinks. Backlinks help you rank up here in what are called the organic rankings. A backlink is a vote for your website from another website. So if some other website out there put your website address on their website, that is considered a backlink. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks are more powerful than others. So just because your competitor has 1,000 and you have 100 doesn't necessarily mean they're going to outrank you, because some of those could be spam. A highly relevant backlink is better. So if somebody that does floor refinishing like yourself, to have your company name and website and phone number out on maybe a wood floor distributor, that would be a powerful backlink. Or have your address out on another floor refinisher's website would be a potentially powerful backlink as well. So getting more of those is highly sought after for people that do digital marketing like myself. And now as a actual website owner, you can do some of this yourself. There's, YouTube videos all over the place that can show you how to do that. But that's really the long and short of it. So content, highly relevant content, at least 1,500 words. Citations, getting your name, address, and phone number onto Citation Sources. You can Google something like website citation sources, and you get a list of a bunch of them, and you can go out and take some time and get some citations out there. And then backlinks, so getting your URL out onto other websites. You can do that for a Facebook page, but it's still really hard to get the content dialed in on a Facebook page because of the nature of what it is. So if you were ever wanting to get a website, we can help with that kind of thing too. But, if you want to try to get some backlinks for your Facebook page, it can't hurt. What I wanted to show you is your main competitor here. This is a tool called Ahrefs. It tries its best to get data out of Google and give you sort of a picture of what's going on for a website. So this competitor of yours, they have 45 backlinks, which is not a lot, over 19 domains. That is giving them 64 organic keywords that they're ranking for with a traffic value of 6. So they're not getting a ton of traffic. So hardwood floor refinishing Topeka, Kansas, for example, is a keyword people search. Volume about 20 a month, and he's in position 2, so he's only getting 2.2 traffic approximately. If you go to position 1, it goes up to probably, 6 or 7. There's hardwood flooring, Topeka, Kansas, 30 searches a month. He's number 7, getting about 1.5. So that's another keyword you could go after. The big one seems to be flooring, Topeka, Kansas, which is a bit more broad, but it gets 100 searches. This guy is, ranked on page 3 and is only getting 0.12 clicks because of that. But if you were to get ranked for those 3 keywords, you're going to get yourself pretty decent amount of traffic. So that's that. So if you have any questions, Jose, let me know. I'd be more than happy to try to answer them for you. And if not, maybe you can use some of this information and put it to use for yourself. No harm, no foul. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Bye-bye.